Welcome. In this video I will tell and show you what to do if the battery on your MacBook Air M4 is draining way too fast. First of all, check your battery condition. To do that in the fast way, you just have to click the battery icon on the menu bar, go to menu settings, the battery settings, and find the battery health here. Here you can find see the condition of your battery. If you tap the information icon next to it, you will see the maximum capacity of your battery and check if it's drained or not. Also, Apple will inform you with a notification that your battery capacity is way too low and you should send your laptop to service. They will also provide you with the list of available services nearby. So you'll be able to easily do so, but otherwise you can first of all enable the low power mode by clicking the same battery icon again and enabling the low energy mode. You can also reduce the screen brightness. To do that, open the control center, go to the display bar and just reduce the display brightness to the level where you're still comfortable with using your PC. It will slow down the battery draining on your computer. You can also, since you are in the control center, you can also turn off your Bluetooth whenever you're not using it. It will also help you save your PC's battery for longer. In activity monitor, you can locate and quit the power hungry applications. To open the activity monitor, open the applications menu and either search for the activity monitor or go to the other section and scroll down until you find it right here. Now to check the power hungry applications, you just have to select energy, and here you can check the sort the applications by energy impact or 20 hours power, and just quit the applications that you don't need on the list by selecting an application and clicking stop icon right here. You can also go to the Apple menu and open system settings, go to the general settings and go to login items and extensions. First of all, switch all the toggles next to the background activity tools that you don't need. Switch them to the left, and also reduce the amount of applications that start up at login by selecting an application from this list and clicking a minus icon next to it. This will not only help you improve your device performance and reduce your battery draining speed, but it will also reduce your device's startup speed. Also unplug the USB devices that you don't use or aren't using currently. Reset system management controller. It sounds complicated, but it's actually not, especially for Apple Silicon processor devices like your laptop. To reset SMC, you just have to restart your computer. So just restart your computer regularly, basically each time you finish your job, and it will also help you improve your battery health. Keep in mind to check for updates regularly. You can do this in system settings again, general section, software update. Make sure that you update your device every once in a while. And the last tip is using the optimized battery charging, which you can do if you open battery menu in settings and click the information icon next to battery health, and make sure that this toggle is switched to the right. This will reduce your battery aging overall in long term. So in short term it will not really help you, but in long term your battery will basically live longer this way. And if battery drain persists, you should check for hardware issues or malware and consider consulting Apple support if you haven't already. I hope that these tips helped you, and if they did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.